Aftermath of house explosion in Alcanar, Catalonia, possibly linked to Barcelona attack. The terror attack in Barcelona is being linked to 2 explosions which left 1 person dead and at least 16 more injured. The first blast occurred at around 11:15 p.m. on Wednesday night in a housing estate called Montecarlo de Alcanar Platja, in Alcanar, in the province of Tarragona, south of Barcelona. 1 person was killed, 7 more injured including 1 seriously, and the house was completely destroyed. Firefighters said more than 20 butane gas canisters were found among the rubble. Police said it was possible a second person was dead among the ruins of the house. They added that they suspect the house was being used to build an explosive device. A police source said, "The explosion was very violent, and the investigators are still finding human remains."